Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make refreshing pineapple juice. And please don't forget to watch this video till the end. So to start without wasting much time, I have my pineapple here which I've already washed. I'm going to go ahead to use my kitchen knife to peel off the back of the pineapple. And guys, don't mind the way I'm peeling off the back of my pineapple. Actually, I'm not an expert in doing this. This is the worst punishment you can ever give me. So after I'm done peeling off the back of my pineapple, I'm going to go ahead to cut it into smaller pieces that will fit into my juicer, which will help me to make it easy for me to extract the juice. And please, my amazing viewers, if you haven't joined my YouTube membership, please do join to become part of this amazing YouTube family, and also support my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker. So this is my pineapple after I'm done peeling off the back and cutting it. I'm going to go ahead to put some of the sliced pineapple into my juicer. I'll put as much as my juicer can carry, and after that I'll go ahead to extract the juice from the pineapple. I'm going to continue repeating the same process until I finish all the pineapple which I have here. So finally, I'm done extracting the juice from my pineapple now. I'm going to go ahead to sieve it to make sure that there is no any particles in it. And after I'm done sieving my juice, I'll go ahead to transfer it into my smoothie cup and enjoy. You can as well leave it in your refrigerator to chill for some time, or you can add some ice cube in it and enjoy your juice. And please, my amazing viewers, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscription button and also turn on your notification bell icon so you'll be the first to get a notification whenever I drop a new video. And don't forget to like and share this video. See you guys in my next video, and have a wonderful day. Bye.